Yeah, hello everyone. So this is a demo for my code generator, which is named Legion Code Generator. So yeah, let's start the demo. So first of all, I made this CLI tool as a Python package, so you can directly import the latest version. So for now, the latest version is 0.1.6. I am still fixing some bugs. So I have it already installed. Uh, so you can start this. You can start the process by calling the keyword, calling the command, and it will be an entry point into the tool. So I've added some support for both OpenAI API, and Gemini API. So for now I'm using Gemini API, but you can also use OpenAI API. So when you will provide this with a key, this will create an environment file automatically. um, yeah, so and also when you're pasting the API key, do not use quotes, double quotes, just paste the exact key. Yeah, so this beautiful UI shows us that we are using the model and Gemini 2.0 Flash, and yeah. So if I ask for help, it shows the command I can use, which is init, run, explain, API, help, exit, etc. So and any other text will be processed by NLP, and it will try to give a JSON output to add or create files and run commands. So let's start by creating a React app. Let's say we want to create a weather app for in React. So init project name and the tag name. Yeah. So project type will be React. So it will be generating the response from using our key. As you can see, it's still creating the structure. So this basically covers all the aspects. So basically you can see in here it kind of tries to add all the required files which will be which it will be requiring later. Let's wait for this. Yeah, so this will show us like it tried to run command npm install and everything was successful. If there was an error, it would have shown it. So now there's a bug in this right now. So for that we have to initialize the project again. It will not take that much time again, but yeah, still working on the bug, but need to initialize twice, otherwise it loses context for some reason. Yeah. Yeah, so now the project is initialized successfully. Let me give it a prompt to check if the things are working. So let's build a modern responsive weather dashboard. Nothing fancy, uh, to really show if it can convert the responses. Yeah, so sometimes it can give you a JSON structure not found in the response. So in that case, just try again. It doesn't happen with OpenAI API, but since I've been testing on Gemini, I needed a lot of testing. So okay. So let's try to do this thing. Yeah, so now it's working. Sometimes it does not give you a response. So let's check the files. I try to make some files maybe. Let's check app.js. Okay, I try to put some static data. Now let's ask it to create components. Let's see if it can do this. Let's paste as one line and see if it can generate. Meanwhile, let's see if like what it has created. So nothing fancy, it created a mock data. Okay, okay. So it created all the components. Let's check. Does this says well? Okay. So now to try it, you can run the command from here as well. And let's do one thing. Let's try to test one command from our terminal itself. So run npm run. So basically, this run is for required to add run from the terminal, and this is the command that we are trying to run. So this extra run is basically what the CLI tool is requires. You could have just directly run the script from here, but yeah, this run will be required. So since it's developed, let's try to the start this one. Yeah, so it is creating a nice React app with a good component library, and similarly you can create uh, other other projects as well, like in Python and Flask, Django, etc. Yeah, thanks.